Welcome back to our channel, DIY enthusiasts. If you're tired of struggling with your plumbing projects, today's video is for you. We're going to reveal the 10 must-have plumbing tools that will make your plumbing work easier and more efficient. Let's dive in. Number 1. The TwoPieces multifunctional basin wrench set is a must-have for DIYers and professional plumbers, perfect for tight space installations and repairs. Featuring 11 different sizes of angle wrenches, it fits most bathtub drains and 90% of faucet nuts. Type A fits 1 to 7/8 standard nuts, and Type B fits 1 to 9/16 standard nuts, ensuring seamless assembly and minimizing damage. Made from durable alloy steel, these wrenches offer excellent hardness and toughness, easily withstanding hand tightening. The 360-degree rotation eliminates space obstacles, making it easier to access threaded lock nuts in tight areas. This set is ideal for kitchen and bathroom sink repairs, faucet installations, and general plumbing maintenance. It simplifies plumbing tasks, saves time, and enhances efficiency with its durable construction and versatile design. The tools are designed to overcome reach and space constraints, providing secure grip and control without over-tightening. Number 2. The plumber's toilet lifting tool is designed to simplify the process of installing and removing toilets. With a 200 pounds lifting capacity, this tool allows you to carry and move toilets with one hand, adding a lifting handle for easy maneuverability. It's ideal for lifting, setting, and carrying toilets, making the job quicker and cleaner. The spring-loaded mechanism provides added convenience and efficiency. This tool not only keeps your hands clean but also reduces the strain on your back, making it a must-have for any plumber. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the plumber's toilet lifting tool ensures a more comfortable and efficient way to handle heavy toilets. Number 3. The Angle Stop Wrench Kit is a professional plumber's tool designed for installing and removing new compression angle stops and compression rings. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, this plumbing wrench ensures longevity and reduces wear and maintenance costs. The automatic adapting feature accommodates multi-size nuts, making it easy to remove and replace compression rings. This tool is ideal for replacing compression angle stops on copper pipes and toilet angle stops, providing superior leverage to simplify valve installation and removal, reducing work time and complexity. The surface has a lacquer finish, enhancing corrosion resistance and extending its service life. The ergonomically designed handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip. The angle stop wrench performs exceptionally well in confined spaces, overcoming the limitations of conventional wrenches and greatly improving ease of use and efficiency. It is a comprehensive solution for various plumbing tasks, making it an essential tool for any plumber. Number 4. The Compression Sleeve Puller Tool 03943 is designed to effortlessly remove the nut and ferrule from half-inch copper water compression fittings. It is ideal for replacing quarter-turn valves on dishwashers, sinks, or toilets with compression fittings. This precision machine tool removes leaking compression sleeves without damaging walls or copper supply lines. It effectively pulls the nut and ferrule off the pipe, making your plumbing work simple and efficient. Unlike traditional methods, this tool saves time by eliminating the need to cut off old pipes, especially in tight spots with insufficient exposed copper. It reforms the previously crimped copper pipe back to a perfect circle without damage. The fully machined body and screw make it corrosion and wear resistant, capable of handling severely corroded or frozen supply stops. Using the tool is straightforward. 1. Remove the old compression fitting or angle stop. 2. Place the nut of the pipe into the puller's golden threaded mouth and tighten the screw. 3. Ensure proper alignment with the pipe and turn the handle about 10 times. 4. The puller will automatically remove the compression nut and ferrule. This tool makes plumbing work easy, fast, and damage-free, even in challenging conditions. Number 5. The 4-Pieces Copper Pipe Cleaner and Reamer set is a versatile tool designed for quick and easy cleaning and deburring of pipes. Featuring a 4-in-1 design, this set includes brushes suited for interior and exterior cleaning of pipes measuring 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, 3/4 inch, and 7/8 inch, making it a convenient choice for home use. The durable plastic body of the pipe reamer, combined with hardened alloy steel deburring blades, ensures long-lasting performance. Suitable for pipes with diameters from 3/16 inch to 1/2 inch, it works on various materials, including PVC, PPR, copper, aluminum, and brass. The copper tube brushes, made with stainless steel bristles, offer resistance to wear, tear, impacts, and corrosion, maintaining their shape and effectiveness over time. The lightweight and ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip and prevents slippage. Easy to use, the alloy steel blade quickly and accurately cuts through copper, aluminum, brass, and plastic pipes. The adjustable screw switch allows for precise control of the cutting wheel, ensuring clean cuts. Burrs can be removed in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, making the tool suitable for deburring both the inside and outside of pipelines. This set is essential for efficient and precise pipe cleaning and preparation. Number 6. The Universal Hot Melt Water Stop Pin is a versatile and durable tool designed for plugging water pipes during repair and plumbing tasks. Made from rust-proof stainless steel with a hexagon lock and washer, and using natural rubber resistant to aging, this tool comes in 3 sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. These sizes are compact, lightweight, and portable, making the tool convenient to use. The tool features an expansion rubber ring that effectively stops water flow when the needle is inserted into the pipe and twisted. To use, attach the water stop needle to the appropriate wrench, insert it into the water pipe at an angle, and rotate tightly to halt water flow. After stopping the water, proceed to weld the pipe using a hot melt machine. Then remove the needle once welding is completed. Constructed from durable stainless steel, this water stop pin offers high pressure resistance and stability, effectively preventing water leakage by penetrating concrete structures. It is suitable for various applications, including overhauls, repairs, and drinking water projects, regardless of the season or weather conditions. The water stop plug is not only sturdy and reliable but also reusable, ensuring long-term utility and efficiency in plumbing tasks. Number 7. The Dano Waterproof Silicone Faucet Grease is a versatile silicone sealant ideal for lubricating faucet stems, valves, and cartridges when repairing a leaky faucet. This 0.5 ounces tube contains high raw silicone content, providing long-term lubrication and ensuring that hard-turning faucets operate smoothly. NSF 61 approved, this grease is designed for use as a waterproof lubricant on faucet valve stems and cartridges, and it is safe for use with nitrite and rubber O-rings. It retains its consistency in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. The grease is odorless and colorless, making it easy to work with during application and clean to use. It is also water-resistant and oxidation-resistant, reducing friction and providing long-lasting lubrication. In addition to plumbing uses, this silicone sealant is suitable for household applications such as lubricating door hinges, threads on shower heads and bolts, toilet gaskets, and flashlight O-rings. Safe for drinking water, it ensures no chemical contamination while maintaining effectiveness across multiple tasks. Number 8. The SqueezeOff Plumbing Adjustable Tool is a reliable instrument designed for instant emergency repairs on plastic or rubber pipes and hoses. This tool instantly clamps pipes, effectively stopping water flow to prevent leaks during temporary cuts, making it ideal for urgent repairs at home or work. Constructed from high-grade steel alloy, this tool is durable, wear-resistant, and anti-rust, ensuring long-lasting performance and solid tightening capabilities. It features a comfortable rubber grip for ease of use and can handle pipes up to 0.125 inches in diameter. The tool measures approximately 7.5 inches in length, 2.7 inches in width, and 1.2 inches in height, weighing about 1.1 pounds. Its portable and lightweight design enhances its practicality for quick and efficient repairs. Included in the package are the SqueezeOff tool itself and a pair of cotton gloves, providing everything needed for safe and effective emergency plumbing repairs. This tool is indispensable for anyone needing a rapid solution to pipe leaks or maintenance issues. Number 9. The TOISA Pipe Cutter Tool 3/16 to 2 inch, 5 to 50 millimeters, is a robust and versatile tool designed for precise cutting of various pipes and tubes, including metal, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, and brass. Equipped with sharp SKD cutter wheels and 6 high-density ball bearing rollers, it ensures a firm grip on the pipe during the cutting process, minimizing uneven cutting surfaces that can result from unstable clamping. Constructed from high-density yet lightweight aluminum alloy, this pipe cutter is durable and compact, ensuring smooth cutting without breaking even after multiple uses. The 6 ball bearings provide smooth cutting action, enhancing cutting efficiency while inevitably leaving small burrs on the edges. To address this, the tool includes a deburring tool pipe reamer with a sturdy plastic construction and high-speed steel blade, capable of reaming the inside and outside of cuts to prevent scratches. The pipe cutter features a comfortable knob at the bottom for easy handling and quick adjustment, providing strong clamping force to ensure stability during cutting. It is suitable for a wide range of applications including electrical, air conditioning installation, automotive, and plumbing maintenance, accommodating pipes from 3/16 to 2 inches, 5 to 50 millimeters, in diameter. This tool is essential for precise and clean pipe cutting in various industrial and DIY settings. Number 10. The MrPen Tongue and Groove Pliers, measuring 6.5 inches, are versatile slip joint pliers designed for durability and functionality. Made from high-quality metal, they feature a robust construction with high hardness and are coated with nickel-chromium plating, providing resistance against rust and corrosion. These pliers are equipped with an ergonomic non-slip handle that offers a comfortable grip and touch during use. The jaw's ergonomic design ensures multiple points of contact, enabling a strong grip on various objects of different sizes and shapes. The strong angled teeth on the jaws can securely bite into pipes, rods, shafts, and fasteners, facilitating tasks such as gripping, pulling, tightening, and loosening nuts and bolts. Ideal for both professional plumbers and DIY homeowners, these groove joint pliers are a valuable addition to any toolbox. They excel in home maintenance and on-the-job tasks, offering reliable performance and versatility in handling a wide range of gripping and mechanical tasks.